It has never been easier to make money for yourself. In fact, over 36% of the global population is making extra money on the side. You can do this too. Making money isn't about building a big business with big investment, big risk, and endless hours of work. You can actually make money for very little effort. No, this is not another one of those side hustle videos. This is 3 genuine ways that you can make money for yourself with the skills, the time, and the cash that you currently have. I guarantee out of these 3, you will be able to do at least one of them by the end of next week. I'm Gina. I've spent the last 17 years building startups from the ground up. And I know that all it takes to make your own money is the ability to get something going. And that's what I am here to teach you. This video is going to teach you the foundation of making money for yourself. 3 different pathways to paychecks. I'm going to show you how each path works and how you can get started today. There are resources that help you in the link in the description of this video. And the last one is actually the easiest to do. But so many people get caught up in clickbait titles, digital marketing dreams, and they just lose sight of the fact that the easiest way to make money is sometimes staring you right in the face. So the first pathway to your own paycheck is what this channel is all about. It's about bringing your idea to life. We all have ideas, musings, wandering around looking at what our future looks like. And most people don't make those ideas happen because the end goal seems so far away from where they are right now. But that's actually what I and this channel specialize in, making those ideas happen. It has actually never been easier to do this. This channel that you are on right now has resources to show you how to validate your idea for free, how to launch your idea for less than £10, and how to get that idea making you actual money. I've put the last 17 years of my work into this free content and free tools to show you how easy it is. The barrier to entry for launching your idea has never been lower. The advancement of tools, the advancement of AI, this channel literally walks you through thinking of your idea and getting all the way to your first 10K, and all that content is free for you. I dive into how we can utilize tools and technology so you can launch your idea and make money by yourself. So if you happen to have an idea or just the slightest inkling of a concept, get started today. There is literally nothing stopping you. Now, the second pathway to your own paycheck is something that quite a lot of people already do. Sarah Blakely launched Spanx because she couldn't find comfortable underwear. Lucy and Yak was launched because they were traveling a lot and couldn't find the right functional clothing. And Nursem was the solution to the problem of nurses' hands drying out so quickly because of the amount of washing and harsh chemicals they were using. Creating solutions to a problem makes you money, but it doesn't have to be the biggest problem and the biggest solution in the world. Sugaroo was invented by an Irish woman called Jane. This was a moldable glue that helped you fix everyday things. She made this herself in her kitchen to fix her own problem in her home. It then ended up selling millions worldwide. She was just solving her own everyday problem with a pretty small scale and minimal effort solution. Fixing a problem that's either small scale or large scale in your immediate circle or for a wider group of people is something a lot of people do more often than they think. They just never think to monetize it. Mostly, this is because we think it takes a lot of work and a lot of money. But surprisingly, it doesn't. Shameless plug here, but launching a product doesn't take money and it doesn't take time. In fact, I've explored this in a few videos. So if you come across a problem and you know how to fix it, or if you're already doing something that makes your life easier that others will benefit from, explore that. Sit with it, think about it, start thinking about how you could take that and learn how you take something from MVP to actual product with this channel. It's all for free, it's all really easy to follow, and the evolution of AI is meaning that we can launch products cheaper and faster than ever. You never know how many people are also needing a solution to the problem that you've managed to fix. And now this last one, the one that is the easiest, the best, and the one that I recommend everybody does. And it's often overlooked because people have this preconception that in order to make money for yourself, you have to be self-employed, you have to have your own business, you have to launch something. But contrary to this, I'm here to tell you that sometimes the biggest thing is not the best. Having employees rely on you, having big teams and big problems, tax liabilities, tons of risk, isn't all it's cracked up to be. We need to move away from this idea that you have to be CEO and run a team or a company in order to be successful and make money for yourself. That is why I built this channel, to teach people how to start something for themselves with as little time, effort, energy, and money as possible, so we can all have the financial freedom and the ability to chase our passions. And that is why the best way to make money for yourself is to monetize your skills. Ali Abdaal is the blueprint of this. He took what he knew, which was medicine and studying, and he turned that into content and then courses and now digital products that make up to 7 figures a year. You don't need to do this on that scale. You can do this yourself by tutoring, teaching, mentoring, proofreading, completing a project on Fiverr. Whatever you are good at, somebody else out there is not. So there is a market for you to make money. Get started with this now by writing down every skill set that you have. Not your job, not your career, but your skill. Are you the best deadlifter in the world? Can you make a mean sourdough from scratch? Don't get caught up in building the big, impressive thing. Focus on what you already know and turn that into income. And if you want to know how to do all of that, hit subscribe, stick with me, because I show you how to build your own business, whether that is small, medium, large, or just you yourself from scratch for less time, money, and effort than you ever thought imaginable.